Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, we have been using a single indicator for all the purpose. So now let me show you how to add this MST I-Trend 2.0 to the chart, as well as how can we use this indicator effectively. The first thing is, there are 3 steps to be followed. The first thing is go to tradingview.com and create one free account. Next one, go to our YouTube channel and search for MST School of Trading and subscribe the channel, watch the videos, like it and share your valuable comments. And third point, our indicator is not available for free. It is available on the subscription basis. One time you pay and use it for the lifetime unlimited validity. After that, go to this indicator settings and come to this invite only script. In the invite only script, you will be finding the subscribed indicator named MST iCore 2.0. Just to give one click on it, that's all. You don't have to do any other things, only this is enough. Now if you see here, I am keeping in 5 minutes time frame and I am doing bar replay. So market has just opened. Once the market has opened, we will be getting top side 2 line and bottom side 2 line, and in the middle we will be getting 1 line. So which is indicating that if the market is trading below the midline, it is supposed to touch our buy zone, and from there it will be reversed. Similarly, when the market is trading above this zone, it is supposed to touch our sell zone first, then it will be falling down. So that is what will happen. Now you see immediately our buy zone has been formed, that is 45,275 is our buy entry and 45,800 is our sell entry. If the market is coming down to our first buy zone, then we will be taking 45,200 minus 200, that is 45,000 call option we will be taking. Why? Because only if we take the ITM, the movement will be very good, which is equivalent to spot movement. If we are trading in the out of the money, the movement will be only 50% of the spot prices or less than 50% of the spot price. Especially on the day of expiry, we should not go for ITM buy entry, because due to the time decay, delta value, theta decay, the option premium will not be moving upper side even though the spot price is moving. So we should be very careful, and you can keep the stop loss of your limit, either 50 points or 100 points or 60 points. So keep 50 points stop loss, keep 100 points target, or keep 60 points target stop loss and keep 120 points target. Otherwise, when the market is closing below this second zone, you just exit at the current market price and go for the reversal entry. So here when the market is touched here, we will be buying 45,000 call option and we will be waiting for the first target. Once the first target is achieved, we will be revising the stop loss to cost and we will be waiting for the second target. Once the second target is achieved, we will be moving the stop loss to first target and we will be waiting for the third target. So this is how we can keep revising the stop loss, so that we will be getting maximum benefit from the market. So now let me show you what has happened. Exactly, now buy has been activated. See the low made was 45,264 and our entry is 45,275. So after the entry, 10 points has come down. Since buy has been activated, we are not supposed to sell now. Once buy is active, sell is invalid. Once sell is active, buy is invalid unless SL hit. So now I am enabling the buy, also enabling the second sell targets. Why? If SL hit, I have to go for the reversal entry. And if you want, we can enable the bottom pivot point. And since we are trading in the Bank Nifty and Nifty, we have to reduce the stop loss to tiny 2 and target also tiny 2. These are the initial steps you are supposed to do. It is very simple. Okay, so now you see immediately in the next candle itself our first target hit. If you want to wait for the more target, you can wait. See, second target also hit. Now we are waiting for the third target. After hitting two targets, it has come down near our buy zone. Once again first target hit, second target hit, third target also hit. See, this is the perfection of our indicator. We are not telling every day you will be getting such an accurate entry and exit, but most of the time there is possibility of getting the accurate entry and profit. If you are doing continuously with the same script, you will be understanding the script, how it is behaving. See, all the bank were in negative today. Even then we were able to get the profit. That too, all the three targets have been achieved. And see this low, it has made one low. What is the low? 45,206. Okay, and our stop loss, if we see, 45,203. So stop loss still is valid. It is not yet hit. It has to give a breakthrough on the stop loss point. So now how many times it has respected our zone? See here, how many times. First we got the entry here, target hit. Again we got the entry here, all the targets hit. Again we got the entry here, again target hit. The one thing I would note here is, once we get the entry, if we are going for the next time entry, don't go for the entry immediately. Wait for the confirmation. Let the market close above this zone, then only have to go for the entry. Otherwise we have given one more point, that is called as Kabaddi calculation. Okay, go to this Kabaddi calculation for the reversal entry, for the second time entry I am saying. So when you go for the Kabaddi calculation, see the perfection. Perfectly market has given one more entry at 235. Three targets have been hit. So this is how you can trade. Again and again you can mint the money. You don't have to worry what you have to do if SL is hit, because we know the reversal mechanism. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. It is very simple. Okay, and other people are interested in commodity. Let me show you how to use the commodity crude oil features I will take. Again what I will do, I will go to the settings, I will do a reset settings. In crude oil, try to keep minimum 27 points stop loss and 27 points targets. Especially in the evening market, wait for the market to close above level or below level for the entry and exit, because after 5 o'clock the movement of the market will be very violent. US market will enter, the movement of the market will be very high. So keeping a stop loss of 20 to 25 points will not be enough. Now again I will do bar replay, and you can see what has happened in the market. See, now we know where to sell and where to buy. When the market is nearing to 6429, we will be selling. When the market is coming down at 6370, we will buy. 3 points of extra risk we can take. So nowadays crude oil mini is available. So don't trade in mega. If you want to trade in crude oil, start in crude oil mini, and you can add the quantity when the market is going against your direction, so that you will get the profit, and less loss you will be getting, more profit you will be getting. So now since sell has been activated, what we are supposed to do, go to the settings, come here and remove the buy entry, enable the sell entry. Sell targets, also enable the second buy targets. Why? If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. If you want, because crude oil movement will be very high, so if you want, you can enable the extra targets. So I have given some 4 to 8 targets we have given. So how many targets you want, that many targets you can add yourself. and this is the top pivot point, and this P trend shows trend of the market positionally. So positionally it will show you the trend of the market. Since sell activated, there is no buy unless SL hit. So now we are ready. So this is the morning market, so we can keep some 27 points stop loss. So exactly first target hit. After the first target, what we can do, if you have taken multiple lots, after the first target, keep the stop loss to cost, so that even if the market is reversing, you will not be losing anything because already you have booked some profit. Second target hit and third target also hit. That's all. This is where our trading got over, and if you are waiting for the some more targets, that also you can do. So I will just increase the speed of the market to save your time. So let us see what has happened. 3 targets perfectly hit. Once again market is falling down. Now it has been rising up. Yes. So now from where it has fallen, there it has reached. See here. Again, once again we got the sell entry got activated. Now when you are going for the second time for the entry, as I told you, go to the settings and enable the Kabaddi calculation for the re-entry. So for the re-entry, we need the market to go little further. So it is getting calculated. So once the calculation is done, so we will be getting the levels. What we are suggesting, per day trade in only one script and keep trading on the same script again and again, so that you will know the secret points of all the script. So now you see here what is the high made, 6435. Okay, our entry got activated. See the low, 6415, and our entry 64, target is 6414. Perfectly, target is nearing, just 1 point left. So already we got all the targets have been hit. So now we are waiting for the reversal entry. In the reversal entry also we got the target. Hope this point is clear. This is very easy to understand. There is nothing difficult in our indicator, and now perfectly other targets also hit. 6413, 6413 is the low, and our target 6413.74, that is equivalent to 6414, that also hit. Now unless market has closed above 6454, we are not supposed to go for the buy entry. Only if the market is closing above 6454, then we will be buying the crude oil. Otherwise we will be keep selling the crude oil only. See, the market is running live now. I am not showing the previous market. I am showing the market in live. And one more thing you consider here. See here, there is one bearish engulfing has formed here in the crude oil. Bearish engulfing has formed. Once the low of this candle is broken, we can go for the sell entry, or at the 50% retracement of the red candle, we can go for the sell entry. So now in all aspect, we are in a profit. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us on the given number 9500009154 using WhatsApp or Telegram. We will be happy to help you all. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.